What's up everyone, I'm Top Notch 2 Fly and this is my travel channel. If you like to travel, you should follow me because I got interviews with people of interest. I also do trending topics that are happening around the world, and I also have my own travel videos I make myself. So go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get caught up with every video I make. Today we are going to explore some more of El Nido's town. And we're deciding we're going to start walking down this beach. It's going to probably be about a 30 to 45 minute walk before we actually make it to the town, but we could use the exercise. Walking alongside this beach was pretty peaceful. We had some pretty amazing views, and the water was a little dirty and shallow, but that didn't stop us from enjoying the view. As we continued walking down the beach, we came across some locals that were out having some fun together. This is what the town first looked like as you entered, before you got to the real beachfront where all the cool stuff is happening at. Through the town, there is this big rock mountain. I'm not sure what it's made out of. I think it's limestone, but it's really beautiful. We finally made it to the main beach area. Now, this was the time when we tried to find the best restaurant with Wi-Fi and a good view and just relax the rest of the day. Thank you, I really appreciate you watching my video. Please leave me a comment and tell me what you like most about the video. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you get all the videos I make. I also have a travel website with a bunch of merchandise, from hats to t-shirts to much more. I'm Top Notch 2 Fly, this is my travel channel. Work hard, travel harder. Peace out, y'all.